Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Dell laptops. As you can see, it says like no boot device found. So the way how we do it, first just try, it says press any key to reboot the machine. Try to press any key, but for me it didn't work. The same thing happened. So I say that, and then it will happen the same. Okay, it's happened. It says again press any key. So the way how we do it is, so you turn it off, just press it, and turn it on, and then keep pressing F12 again and again and again. F12, F12. Yeah, until you see this loading. Okay. You can see this message. Okay, you go down to diagnostics. Go down, diagnostics, enter. Okay, this is normal. It should take about display, yes or no? Yeah, yes. Yes, hard drive not installed. You want to continue testing? Yes. Should take 15 minutes or something like that. I will just pause it and come back if anything happens. Okay, thank you. I'm just pausing it right now. That's what you can see. It's diagnostic. I'm going to pause it again. That is about after about 2 minutes since I last paused the recording. Okay, I'm going to pause it again. Here I am again. That's after about 2 minutes again. I'm going to pause it. Here I am again. Here it shows 99%. Hopefully it comes without any errors. This is actually common in Dell laptops. I'm going to pause it again. Okay, it says no problem have been found with this system so far. Do you want to run the remaining memory test? This will take about 30 minutes or more. Do you want to continue? Recommend it, so you can say yes or no. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to believe there's no problem with the laptop, so I'm going to click no. If you want, you can click on yes, so click no. All tests passed, so okay, and then you click exit, and then you restart the laptop. And when you restart it, you need to do the same, but this time with F2. let me just read this. Yeah, okay, click exit. Do you want to exit and reboot? Yes, and be ready that you click on keep pressing on F2. Okay, keep pressing F2. Yeah, until you see this one again. Alright, so let's see now this one. So you need to go to, where should we go? Boot sequence. So yeah, you go to secure boot. Here, go in secure boot, and then if it's enabled, you need to disable it first. Click enter. It is disabled, so just going to make sure it's again. Secure boot is not allowed. Okay, so I do disable. Okay, so it's disabled, so I make sure it's disabled, and then I go to list boot, or what is the boot sequence, or some laptops it's not written as a boot sequence but boot list, or something like that. List sequence, list boost, boot, sorry. And we need to choose, so this, the option that is boot list option, there is legacy. You go on the one under it. And then click on apply. Yeah, so I went to UEFI, and then I go apply. Okay, and then I'm going to go, so apply, I'm going to go exit, and then it should restart. Let me check. Yeah, so I go on exit, and hopefully it's done.